Good afternoon, everyone. Let us start this question. We say that a positive integer is an almost integer if it is equal to the product of two consecutive positive integers. Prove that every almost square can be expressed as a quotient of two almost squares. We need to prove this, that almost square can be expression of another almost square upon another. Okay. So here let us say one integer is n plus 1. This is one almost square. Another almost square will be n plus 1, n plus 2. Okay. So a product of these two, if we product this, we will see that n plus 2, n plus 1 whole square is equal to n plus 1 whole square brackets minus 1 n plus 1 whole square. And because this is what n square plus 2n. This is n square plus 2n plus 1 minus 1. Right? Understood? So n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 whole square minus 1 n plus 1 whole square upon m plus 1 n plus 2. Okay? So this is our almost square. This is an almost square since this is one integer. This is the integer plus 1. And this is also an almost square. This is almost. This is also an almost square. Almost square is equal to almost square upon almost square. Understood?